We've had a great time at the show this year, and for us it's important to be here to see our customers, see our suppliers.
And then all the community of the pizza around the world is here, so we need to be here because we are one of the big players in this sector.
We see how it grows, and it's wonderful because Pizza Show is becoming a great point of meeting in Europe for the pizza community.
We support tens of thousands of locations across Europe. Shows like the European Pizza Show are great for us to have face-to-face conversations with merchants and partners alike. Allows us to showcase the innovation in our technology.
Pizza typically is a product with a lot of profit that can be made on. It's easy to make, and you see a lot of food outlets shifting also to pizza and not raising their prices compared to other food concepts.
The business is evolving and customers are looking for authenticity, new flavor, and also a healthy range. So it's important to be here today.
So we think that frozen pizzas for GDOs are the future, and we think that high-end premium like ours is the next step.
The quality of the people that come here, gives us some good opportunities.
This fantastic show shows off great quality, great opportunity for everybody to visit or to exhibit.
Pizza's beautiful in all different versions, and that's what we enjoy.